welcome back to the channel. It's a big day, big moment right now. Been a lot building up to get to this moment. Today is going to be the first, or right now, is going to be the first ever start of the Holley Sniper on the Project Mustang. I just finished putting the spark plugs in, NGK TR5s, just set the initial timing, just finished up all, you can see, look here, signs of life. Just finished all the fuel system underneath, the whole nine. Whew. Nervous, moment of truth. I just put the little bit of tiny gas I had left. Of course, it's time for a first start. I don't even have that much gas. But I got everything ready to go. Got the computer down here. I think I've got everything ready. Moment of truth. No pumpage. It's fuel injected. Electric fuel pump turned on. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, ho. Woo! Yes! Oh man, that baby's purring. All right. Idling out at 1300, which is a little high. Learn. Back. Back. All right. That's a starting point. That's a starting point. That's good, guys. Oh man, what a day. Holy crap. This has been a year in the making. Look at this. I got loom everywhere. I got exhaust. Stinks. I got a smoking hose over here. What do we got over here? What's burning on the manifold? A vacuum line, of course. Of course. Alright, we got little revisions to make, but we got a running motor. Soon I can get it off the jacks to make sure that there's no leaks. I'm going to let it run, I'm going to let it learn, I'm going to get it off the jacks. I'm going to watch the instruction video again and make sure I didn't miss anything. But this is great news, guys. If you guys have been following this car, it's just a big day. And damn, that started up nice. See if it starts back up just as good as it started at first. Oh yeah. This is exciting. This is exciting. Well, I hope you guys are as excited as I am about this video. Holley Sniper. Installation, not a breeze. Installation easy. Installation not a breeze. I'll put it that way. Take your time with it. So now I just got to go through, like I mentioned, and get all those. Damn, I'm just excited as hell, guys. This is fucking awesome. All right, well, remember to subscribe, comment, share, and all that crap. And I will be busy here in the garage getting this thing on the road next. Later.